KTM 390 Adventure Pannier racks installation instructions. Let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have a right side, left side Pannier racks. We have a cross brace. The supplied hardware, 4 M8 by 50 millimeters long hex head bolts and 4 washers. Also 2 M8 by 70 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers, and 4 M6 by 20 millimeters long hex head bolts, 2 washers, and 4 nylock nuts. The tools we're going to be using: 10 millimeter wrench or spanner, ratchet extension, and 10 and 8 millimeter hex sockets, as well as a 6 millimeter Allen socket to remove the 2 OEM bolts from the foot pegs. And we're going to be using medium strength Loctite. All right, here we go. Left side. Put it in place. Down there too. Grab handle on top. Line up the mounting holes and drop in the first bolt. Turn it a couple of times, just once or twice. Next one, 8 by 50 again. Okay, front, and then down at the front, feed it through. Again, you can grab the socket, maybe easier to turn the bolt with. Like so. All right, let's put on the right side. Same procedure. Make sure that everything is in place. Put on the grab handle on top. Grab the 2 M8 by 50s. Make sure you have a dab of blue Loctite on the bolt. Turn it a couple of times, like so. Next one. Good. And the front end. Like so. All right, cross brace installation. You got to pay attention to the orientation. See, it points up, not down. Up. There you go. And grab the bolts, the 6x20s, and the washers and the nylock nuts. The tabs go on the inside. The cross braces tabs go on the inside. Push the 6x through. Washer on one side, another washer on the nut side. Spin on the nylock nut and repeat the same. All right, the final step, when all the bolts and nuts are in place, you can begin to tighten all the bolts and nuts gradually. So do not pull one bolt all the way tight. Gradual, few turns again here, and then start all over again. And the very, very final step is torquing it. The M8, the 8 millimeter diameter bolts, 23 Newton meters, and the 6 millimeter diameter bolts, 10 Newton meters. So should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortech.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636. Thanks for watching.